Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to add website link top of LinkedIn profile like this. This is my LinkedIn profile information and here I added my personal website URL. How to add, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open your LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. If I click here and look at this here, my personal website link is displayed here. If I click there, so my personal website is open here. So how to add this URL? It's very simple. Just click here in the pencil menu. After that, you need to scroll down here. Here current position, some another informations are available here. The contact, edit contact info. If you click here, edit contact info, again scroll down, look at this here, website URL. How to add? It's very simple. This is my website URL. I copy this one and I just simply paste it here. And as well as I added one more URL here, but this is my personal website. So I type here like a personal. So the specific word is displaying here, personal. After that I save, again save, and that's it. Your personal website link is coming here. This is a simple process to add personal website link. Sometimes this option is not here available, so accordingly you can search on Google search, but almost all countries are providing same features and same location. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.